guys, this is TinaGale, and I thought I would do a little unboxing. This is from Echo Park's Black Friday sale, so it did take a little while to get it shipped to me, and then it has been sitting on my desk probably for a week. Haven't even opened it until today, but I thought I'd do a quick walkthrough of some of the things that I picked up. Let's open this up and show you everything that I got. I also have a Simple Stories Black Friday box, so stay tuned for that, and I'll have that up as quick as I can. So right now, I don't need a single thing, but they were having a great sale for Black Friday with extra discounts, free shipping, and all of that. I got some more boy collections because I don't really have a lot of boy collections, and now I have a little grandson, so I am, snapping pictures right and left all the time, so I have lots to scrapbook. So I picked up that. I also picked up some recipe cards. My daughter had been wanting some new recipe cards. Picked those up, and a cooking collection here and Simple Stories, and wanting to do a little recipe album for her. So the first one I did was Dream Big Little Boy, and I absolutely love this collection. I like the colors. So the collection that I chose to do like his baby album in is the older boho collection from Simple Stories that is discontinued. I mean, it sold out so fast, so I don't have the entire collection because I didn't have a grandson at the time, and I didn't think I was going to have one so quickly. Otherwise, I would have bought it. So these colors match in fairly well. It has a lot of gold and brown. This one's a little bit brighter with the darker blues, but there are pieces I'm going to pull out to be able to expand some of my patterns and things in that album, and then I will make layouts. So let me flip through here really quick because I haven't even seen up close and personal these collections. This one's little trucks, which he loves his trucks. Blue chevron. Some 4x6 cards. The plaid. Love these little banners. This is similar to the lion that's in the Simple Stories boho collection, and this is too. Again, the colors are just a little bit brighter, but it's going to be fine. It's going to help me get some more patterns in that album. Stars, stripes, little waves, the 3x4 cards. Love the stars. So these colors definitely work with my album, and this with the arrows. Design, speech bubbles. So I'll probably be using a lot of the B-sides on this. Love the blues. I love this cloud paper in this. This is going to make a beautiful layout. Stars and airplanes. Plus signs. This one's 4x4 and 4x6. Stars, tractors, which this boy has two grandpas that are in construction, so there are lots of trucks and outside pictures that we're going to have. The 12x12 sticker sheet. Then I also picked up the chipboard pieces, the puffy stickers, which I adore these. I just bought him a little teepee, so that is so cute. I can't wait to get him in it. And Brad's here. So that is the Dream Big collection. Oh, and also got the frames and tags, so I won't open those, but all of that. Let me go ahead and go to this one because these patterns match as well. This is the Little Explorer collection, and this child loves the zoo. His mama loves the zoo. I had bought her a year's membership, and we'll just keep it going. So they've already been so many times and have so many photos of the zoo. But again, some of these colors and these designs, this is in the Simple Stories boho collection. So I'm going to be able to use it to make that go even further as well. But mostly for all of the zoo pictures we already have. This is super cute. Little Jeeps. This will definitely go in my album. Spots. Another one that has cut aparts. Arrows, the leaves, the animal prints. Our zoo recently had 5 baby tigers, so he's been going a lot to watch them grow up. They are so adorable. We also have a little baby monkey that was just born. Okay, 4x4 cut aparts. Elephants. He loves the elephants. And then the sticker sheet, as well as the frames and tags and ephemera pieces. So lots there for me to get started on the zoo photos. Now this one is just a pirate collection. I loved this collection and I hadn't picked it up, but we have gone to Disney multiple times. Both of my kids worked at Disney for quite a while, and so I have a lot of different things like this. But this Halloween, my grandbaby dressed up as a little pirate, so I thought this would be adorable to kind of document that, and then I have extra to use for our Disney Pirates of the Caribbean and stuff. I just thought this would be adorable. Kind of mix in and use. I love that background. The ships, the wood grain. I know this is very adulty, so again, some of this, like this one, will definitely be for Pirates of the Caribbean photos, but there is a lot that I will use for his pictures. Don't think I'll be doing skull and crossbones, but the stripes, I kind of like this, the Shipwreck Island, so we'll see. The stripes, mountains, and then the sticker sheet. So I think I'm going to stick with the pirates, the parrot, and the wheels, things like this, and then just some of the cutesier pirates for his Halloween photos. Then for like the cooking segment, so I already have a lot of this to roll with it because I absolutely love this collection. And together with it and my one from Simple Stories, I'm hoping to get maybe 2 recipe albums. So this is the sticker sheet. Maybe I'll just go ahead and do what I've been doing. So I loved this collection because it reminded me very much of October Afternoon. I loved the colors. These are definitely my colors, and the distressing. So it's going to make a beautiful December album. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck on December album because I need to finish filming those. Baking, more baking. Slid down a little bit more. Pretty sure I've shared some of this collection before when I've bought pieces of it, but this time I decided just to get the whole thing because I love everything in it. And then the sticker sheet here, and then I picked up recipe cards. So I'm going to use some of these. I try to get colors that would match in with this. I'm going to use some of these within the album, and then I bought some just to give my daughter to use in the meantime. So that is my Echo Park Black Friday haul. I know they still have a lot of this going on. You just might not get the same discounts as the Black Friday. But I thought I would share that with you. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, I'll have a Simple Stories Black Friday haul coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.